The potential energy of a 1 kg particle free to move along the x-axis is given by this, right? So basically potential energy is given by x raised to the power 4 by 4 minus x squared by 2, right? The total mechanical energy of the particle is 2 joules, right? Then the maximum speed is. So basically what is happening, total energy is given as, which is fixed at 2 joules. And we know that total energy is given by potential energy plus kinetic energy, right? We have to calculate the maximum speed. What will be the maximum speed? When it will attain its maximum speed, it will having its maximum kinetic energy. And if it is having its maximum kinetic energy, then this should be minimum because PE plus KE is constant, right? So that means this should be equal to PE minimum plus KE maximum. Is that right? So basically we have to calculate the minimum potential energy. If I see the potential energy, this is given by x raised to the power 4 by 4 minus x squared by 2, right? If I have to see where it is minimum or maximum, what I do is du by dx equal to 0. This is the condition for maximum minimum, right? So that means what will you give? You'll get that x cube minus x equal to 0. It implies that x into x square minus 1 will be equal to 0. That means either x equal to 0 or x equal to plus 1 or x equal to minus 1. Now what we will do is to calculate the minimum, because these values will give the maxima or minima, right? So let us calculate the values of potential energy at these points, and whichever point gives us the minimum value, that will be the potential energy minimum, right? So u will be equal to x raised to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2. If I put at x equal to 0, u will be equal to what? 0. Now at x equal to 1, u will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, which will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Even if I put x equal to minus 1, you will get u equal to minus 1 by 4. Why is that? Because these are the even powers, right? So this potential energy is the minimum, right? So that means KE max minus 1 by 4, which is the minimum potential energy, this will be equal to 2. So basically it implies that KE maximum will be equal to what? 2 plus 1 by 4, which will be 9 by 4. And this is equals to what? Half mv square, right? And m is 1. So that means v square will be equal to 9 by 2, right? So that means v will be equal to 3 by root 2. That means option A is correct.